A smile is not just an emotion, it is a real power that can change your mood, attitude to life, and even the world around you. But how does it work? When we smile, our brains start releasing happy hormones, such as endorphins and serotonin. Even if it's a forced smile, it activates mechanisms that help us feel better. Having a hard day? Try smiling. Scientific studies show that smiling reduces stress and helps to cope with emotional stress. Smiling is a universal language that everyone understands. It improves relationships and makes others perceive us more positively. Social experiments have shown that if you smile at a stranger, it is highly likely that they will return the smile. This simple act can dramatically change the day not only for you, but also for those around you. A smile not only makes you feel better, it can improve the atmosphere around you. Imagine how much better your workday can be if your colleagues smile more often. Conflicts and tense situations become easier to resolve when one of the parties smiles. This is a signal of readiness for cooperation, and a smile is the simplest act of kindness. It requires no effort, but gives a feeling of warmth and acceptance to those around you. Do you want to smile more often? Try starting your day with a smile in the mirror. Surround yourself with positive things, look for joy in the little things, and you will notice how easy it becomes to be happy. So the next time you see that your day is not going the way you want it to, just smile. Remember that a smile can change not only your life, but also the world around you. Try it right now.